My name is Marcia and I'm 11 years old.
My name is Millie and I'm 11 years old.
When they see us together, they don't believe that we're twins.
They don't believe us, like they're like, oh really, I never noticed that, like I thought you were just friends.
Because we're a different colour.
Racism is where somebody judges you by your colour and not like by your actual self.
I think racism is a negative thing because sometimes it can hurt people's feelings.
Just because you're a different colour doesn't mean that you have to change the way you are just to be like someone else.
If the world has to say anything about us, then if it's going to be a rude comment, then don't bother say it.
I would say just don't listen to it. Just ignore them, pretend they're not there, but disappear.
If it's going to be a nice comment, then go ahead.
I will tell them to not like the people say don't judge a book by its cover, don't judge other people by their looks, because there could be something totally different on the inside.
If you're happy with the way you look, then you should stay the way you look.
Just be yourself.